It's autumn and the colors are amazing, and you definitely want to let your plants shine as long as they can. But when they start to look like this hosta starting to mold. And although the contrast is beautiful, this is kind of yucky. So you can try to just pull. Oh, look at that. It just comes away. And your hosta will be perfectly fine. It's a good idea to get rid of leaves that are like this because snails like them, and we don't want to spread snails around the yard. So we're going to get rid of the things that they like to eat. So I'm just pulling off the ugliest ones, and I'm going to leave a few while they're still yellow and pretty. That's good enough. Of course, because you left it like this, you're gonna have to pull or cut the leaves away later, or you can just leave them. It'll be perfectly fine. It'll just act as a mulch, maybe, unless it gets slimy. It just depends. Just check your plant and you decide. Since hosta leaves do tend to get slimy, I'm gonna put these straight into the bin, the compost bin. It's all in the contrasts. Aronia, black tower elder, and the yellow eastern redbud.